So today we are going to show you some medium length and long length hairstyles. So without further ado, let's straight get into the. Firstly, I'll comb my hair, then place all my hair on one side. Now I'll take out 3 strands like this. Pull out one section like this just to let loose my fringe after the braid is ready. Now put the right strand over the middle and the left two over the middle, which was the right strand earlier. Then take one section in this manner and merge it with the right strand. Then place the left strand over the merged one. Continue in this manner by adding the sections to the right strand and placing it in the middle up to 7 or 8 knots. It's very easy and quick too. Y'all can see that the braid is now ready, and now I'll take out the fringe. Now I'll put the braid on the back side of my hair and secure it with a tic tac pin. It's really beautiful and simple. You can wear this hairstyle for a casual college look or a friend's hangout. It's simply very pretty. First, we'll comb our hair and divide the hair into 3 sections. But make sure that the middle one is a bit thicker than the other two. We'll tie the middle one with a rubber band. Now take the first section and make a simple 3 strands braid. This one is quite similar to the first one, but the difference is that the strands taken in the previous one were from the same side, and here the strands are taken from the opposite side, as y'all can see. But remember one thing, that while braiding, make sure that your braid turns towards the strands. That is in this video towards the right. This hairstyle is suitable in cultural festivals or occasional events. And again continue with a simple 3 stranded braid and secure it with a rubber band. Now open the middle section of your hair and spread them out. Okay, make sure to pull the strands out just so that the style looks a little good. That's it. We are ready with the hairstyle and it's really very pretty.
Take out 2 sections of hair like this. One section should be thicker and one should be thin. Divide the thick section into 2 equal parts. Then continue making a 3 strand braid by placing the right strand over the middle strand and placing the left strand over the middle like the previous hairstyle. Then take a small section of hair from the right side and merge it with the right strand and placing it over the middle strand. In the same manner, take a section of hair from the left side and merge it with the left strand and then put it over the middle strand. Continue this process until all the loose hair have been merged with the right and the left strands and made it into a braid. After completing the braid, tie it with a rubber band. Then put your hand inside the braid like this and pull it behind. Now the hairstyle is ready. You can use this hairstyle for small get together or any family event. It's simple and can be made by oneself easily. This hairstyle is very much similar to the third hairstyle. Just the difference is that this style has to be made from the behind and it is a tight braid, and the earlier was a loose one and had to be made from the front side, and hence creating a complete different look using the same method and creating a different style. In this hairstyle also you need to merge left and right strands with the main braid and make it into a tight braid. So we can make four hairstyles with almost similar method but creating an absolute different hairstyle. Now tie it with a rubber band.